Criteria-led discharge QI our journey. We start with the background of our project. The Quality Improvement Project started in June 2020 in 2 acute medical assessment units on Chestnut Ward and Ward 22 at the Lewisham and Greenwich NHS Trust. Flow and patient discharges are one of our organisational key priorities. Criteria-led discharge, or the CLD process, will help unblock the acute care pathway and ensure that the staff are empowered to discharge patients at the right time, preventing unnecessary delays. The project aim is to increase the number of discharges using the CLD pathway, and using QI approach was an opportunity to use structured approach and try something different.
How has CLD made a difference? We, as a multidisciplinary team, consider CLD suitable patients at all our board rounds and ensure consultants sign this off as early as possible to get patients discharged earlier.
Staff are more empowered to lead CLD process now, and there is better team working.
We now have an additional afternoon huddle to discuss and check in on progress with criteria-led discharge.
This project has improved communication on the ward, transparency on discharge plan, and early decisions to safe and smooth discharges, thereby reducing the length of stay and improvement in patient and staff experiences.
It was a good team effort. Effective management across the multidisciplinary team and investing time in understanding the problems were the two key things that helped us test change ideas and achieve our aims.
The board rounds are often the most efficient few minutes of each day. They bring together the key people to gain a holistic picture, and everyone can quickly agree the best way forward. We are using the CLD magnet on the whiteboard to identify CLD patients.
The CLD decision is recorded directly onto the electronic patient record system so that everyone can have access to it. Bringing people together efficiently to agree a plan really works and builds a strong relationship between colleagues too.
Holding the gains and spreading improvement. We have achieved our goals, and improvement from both projects has been sustained. There have been no readmissions within 72 hours for patients discharged using the CLD pathway, which is very reassuring. Our focus now is to hold these gains and embed these changes in our system for better sustainability. A standard operating procedure for CLD pathway has been created, and we are in the process of designing an electronic CLD form which will integrate this pathway with our electronic patient record EPR system. The next steps are to spread this improvement to other wards across our trust by training our staff and developing CLD capability at scale.